Hi YouTubers, and welcome to this channel. This channel name is Les Deux Aventures. That's French for the two adventures. This channel is ran by my husband and I. What you will see on this channel is travel, food, and fashion. We love to do all three. Today I'm doing a black girl luxury haul of things that I recently purchased, like the Prada Paradoxe perfume, YSL Tote bag, Givenchy bracelet, Coach bracelet, and Juvia Place highlight. So stay tuned. Now first on this black girl luxury haul is the Prada Paradoxe. This is the box. I love the color. I'm a pink girl. I love pink. And this is what the box looks like. This is the box. The top. And now let's see how the perfume looks. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, pretty. I love the shape of the perfume. It's like a triangular shape. So when you're ready to put it on your perfume organizer, you can stand it up, like maybe put it on the side, upside down. For me, I leave mine in the box. I like to keep the box. And this is the top. Now let's see what this smells like. So we're gonna spray it right here on the wrist. Smells so good. You should definitely buy this. It really smells good. I've heard Prada Paradoxe smells like Giorgio Armani My Way. I never tried the Giorgio Armani My Way, but I'm quite sure it smells good. But this, I was like, I have to have this. I have to have this. You know, I was saying I have to have this. I have to have this. And it smells really good. Rub it together, both of your wrists. Smells good. And now we're gonna get into the notes of the Prada Paradoxe. So if you know or are familiar with any of the notes, comment below and tell me. So the main accords are white floral, citrus, amber, sweet, vanilla, fruity, powdery, musky, fresh, and analic. How do you say that? But yeah, that's what it smells like. And I definitely smell the musky. Like, that's what stands out to me. Definitely the sweet. It's a sweet fragrance. It's more of a sweet fragrance. Fruity too. So it's a fruity type of perfume that you would get from this. You know, I'm looking at the notes on my phone. But yes, make sure you get this perfume. This is the one. You know, I got this because I travel a lot. I got this size because I travel a lot. So, you know, this would be great for me. Just throw it in your suitcase or your purse. And two, if you're doing date night, you know, this is it can fit in your purse. Just throw it in your bag and go. Like the dream said, just throw it in the bag. Hey. Yeah, this the one. This the one. I might tell you a joke, but I never tell you a lie. And next of things that I bought was the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Loose Highlighter. This is my first time ever buying a Juvia's Place product. And this is what the outside of the box looked like. Has the Nubian Queen. We love to see it. Gold and white. Next, I'm gonna try it on camera. I'm gonna try it on my cheeks and my nose to see what it looks like. And let's see. Let's get into some things. This is what the Juvia's Place highlighter looks like. It has a red top with gold around it. This is what it looks like. Now I have my brush for my nose highlighter. Take it. I like to use a skinny brush. Put on my nose and I just take my finger. And oh, I love it. I love it. Gives you that glow. Next on the list is a Givenchy bracelet. I always have my wedding ring on this hand and my Apple Watch or my Diamond Citizens watch. And then this hand is always empty. So I said, I need to order bracelets so I can stack it. So first I ordered this Givenchy bracelet. And this is what it looks like on camera. It's diamond encrusted. It's a clasp opening. You can wear this on a big event. Date night, I wouldn't recommend wearing it on a regular day. This is when you go on a big event or a date night, you pull this out. This is what you pull out. And that's what it looks like. The tag is still on it. And let's try it on. I have big hands, so, you know, got to be careful how we try it on. But yes, this is what it looks like. It's the back, the front. And then next, we have a Coach bracelet. I love me some Coach. I love how Coach, you know, redesign everything. It came in this paper wrapping, and it's pretty heavy too. It's heavy. And this is what it looks like. The big C with diamonds on it. The back. And this is how you open it. Another clasp. Now this, you can wear out, you know, on a regular day, and you can also wear it out when you go into a big event, a date, whatever it is, a concert. You can definitely wear it. You know, got the clasp. Now let's try it on. Open the clasp. And it closes by itself. And this is what it looks like. And this is the front, the back. And this is what the two bracelets look like together. This is the front, back. And last but not least, I picked up a YSL Tote bag. A girl love bags. This is the box. It's a big box. It's the back. Has the ribbon on it. Now let's unbox it. box again. Wrapper it came in. Way. And this is the bag. They fold it and they put it in the box. And it's a Givenchy Tote. I guess that's how you say it. And you see the Saint Laurent name at the bottom. And this is black. And the back doesn't have anything on it. These are the straps. So I was looking for a tote bag and I saw this and I grabbed it. This is the straps. That's what it looks like inside. A lot of stuff can fit in here. You can probably put your iPad. You can probably put your laptop. It will be heavy, but yeah, iPad, you go in there, laptop, your keys, your makeup, toiletries, a lot of stuff. You know, I purchased this for traveling because like I said, I travel a lot. So I needed a tote bag. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty sturdy. The thank you card on this. Then they have ways you can return the bag and your refund. Return stamp, and then basically a receipt comes in there. And that's it for my luxury haul. I hope you like this video. Watch it, share it, and subscribe. Help us to get to 1,000 subscribers. We have lots of great videos coming up, especially travel videos. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays! Now we're gonna do the cheeks, each side. See what it looks like. Just rub it in my hand. This brush is acting up, so I'm rubbing it in with my hand. Maybe I put too much. But this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Maybe I put too much. I don't know, but yeah. And next on